Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 225, effective until 06:00 a.m. Central Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Brooks, Cameron, Hidalgo, and Willacy, and the following marine locations: Laguna Bay of Praying to the Arroyo, Colorado, from the Arroyo, Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas. Laguna Madre from 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baton Bay, Texas. Coastal waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to Rio Grande out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Baton Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage winds in and close to the water. While severe weather rapidly change in weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 222 has been canceled for the following county: Brooks, Texas. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 225, effective until 06:00. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, southeastern Starr County in deep South Texas, and northwestern Willacy County in deep South Texas until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Olivero Garza Senior Elementary School, or near North McAllen, moving at 30 miles per hour. Source: radar miles per hour wind gusts. Impact: external damage to roofs. Source: sighting radar indicated. Locations impacted include Edding Road, Michigan, Farr, West Lacote, San Juan, Alamo, Garza, Mercedes, Hidalgo, and Elsa. This includes the following highways: Bus Highway 83 between mile markers 820 and 850. Interstate between mile markers 820 and 850. Interstate Highway 60 mile markers 758 and 764. Bus Highway 281 between mile markers 784 and 810. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. Large hail and damage caused and continuous clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Brownsville. You are listening to the voice of the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kennedy County in deep South Texas, northeastern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, southeastern Brooks County in deep South Texas, northwestern Willacy County in deep South Texas, until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At midnight Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Rudolph, or 12 miles northeast of San Manuel, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raymondville, Armstrong, Port Mansfield, Harville, Rectal, Lasara, San Manuel, Lynn, San Perlita, and Red Gate. This includes the following highways: Interstate Highway 69 east between mile markers 47 and 51. Bus Highway 77 between mile markers 730 and 762. US Highway 281 between mile markers 734 and 762. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Chance of showers at 11:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Economy's high risk and affected through Tuesday morning. What? For the high rip current risk, dangerous rip currents, and for isolated minor coastal flooding. Where? Coastal Willacy, Coastal Cameron, and Coastal Kennedy counties. When? For the high rip current risk, through Tuesday morning. For the minor coastal flooding through this evening. Impacts, some water on low-lying roads and property. Rip currents can sweep even the best swimmers away from shore into deeper water. Do not drive through flooded roadways. There is a high risk of rip currents. Rip currents are powerful channels of water flowing quickly away from shore, which occur most often at low spots or breaks in the sandbar and in the vicinity of structures such as groins, jetties, and piers. Heed the advice of lifeguards, beach patrol flags, and signs. If you become caught in a rip current, yell for help. Remain calm, do not exhaust yourself, and stay afloat while waiting for help. If you have to swim out of a rip current, swim parallel to shore and back toward the beach when possible. Do not attempt to swim directly against a rip current as you will tire quickly. Thank you for listening to Weather Radio. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jim Hogg County in deep South Texas, northwestern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, Starr County in deep South Texas, central Brooks County in deep South Texas, eastern Zapata County in deep South Texas, until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mirando City to near Vibras to 16 miles southwest of Falcon Dam, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Rio Grande City, Roma, Escobars, Alsos, Lopino, Garciasville, La Rosita, Hebronville, Aguanueva, and Vibras. This includes us Highway 83 between mile markers 776 and 836. These are potentially deadly storms. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Abandon vehicles in search of a more substantial permanent structure. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. You are listening to the voice of the National Weather Service, NOAA weather radio station KHP 33, broadcasting.
Yes, sir. Let the night of chaos begin. That was a PDS tornado warning by my beliefs and the wording, so that literally scared the crap out of me. Here we go. You're late.
In deep South Texas, central Starr County in deep South Texas, until 3:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Santa Catarina to near La Victoria to 11 miles south of Roma Park, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mission, Rio Grande City, Palmview, Panitas, Sullivan City, La Jolla, Elmhurst, Escobars, Garciasville, and North McAllen. This includes as Highway 83 between mile markers 812 and 850. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. Here's a look at your 2:00 a.m. weather conditions. At the International Airport in McAllen, with light rain falling, the temperature was 79 degrees, dew point 73, making the relative humidity...
Oh, here we go. Night of Chaos is beginning. So, where do I go? Just refresh this. Now, as you can see, I am partially... Okay, please. Yes. As you can see, I am partially in this right here. Now, you may be wondering, what's wrong with this alert? What is so major about it? See that right there? Tornado possible. So, that's a big no-no there. Keep y'all updated.
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a flash flood warning for Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, southeastern Starr County in deep South Texas, until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Then later. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sullivan City, La Gruya, La Victoria, Alto Bonito, Gruya Middle School, and Rio Grande City, Roma. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.